to Miss Universe 2012. Please welcome contestant number 1, Miss USA.
Hi, I'm Johanna Luis Ella Polinario. I'm from USA.
Now, and number 2, Miss Philippines.
Hi, I'm Kyra Cheska Escalada from Philippines.
Now, and number 3, Miss Venezuela.
Hello everyone, I'm Lalini Lagnico. I'm 9 years old from Venezuela.
And now, are you ready for swimsuit competition?
Yes.
Now, please welcome number 1, Miss USA. And number 2, Miss Philippines. And number 3, Miss Venezuela. Now, the long gown. Are you ready for long gown competition?
Yes.
Now, first, the Miss USA. And number 2, Miss Philippines. And number 3, Miss Venezuela. This is an important competition. This is a question and answer portion. First, Miss USA, step forward. If you won the Miss Universe 2012, what would you say to everybody that you won? Why or why not?
No, because I did not win it. God did it. If I win the Miss Universe 2012, I will be very, very thankful to God. Thank you.
Miss Philippines, why is love is very important to you?
I just express my love to my loved ones. To my parents. Teach good value, eat, and give every gives to me. Thank you.
And now, Miss Venezuela, if you won in the Miss Universe, how do you expend your money?
I will not spend my money for only not for myself. I will give it to the people who need money and to the poor. And also I will help our governor to build some schools for our country. And I will help the people who have no house because I have a heart and good soul. Thank you. Ba't kami hindi nyo pinalakpak?
O, papalapakan ko yun. Now, this is important competition. The second runner-up, Miss Venezuela.
Last stop mo na.